Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to turn a sock heel using the traditional or Dutch heel. The sock I'm demonstrating on is 52 stitches. I've already completed my heel flap using 26 stitches. Although I'm using double pointed needles, the same heel turn can be made on magic loop or 2 circulars. The first thing to do is to decide how many stitches you will use for the middle of your heel. Traditionally, you would divide the total number of heel flap stitches by 3. In this case, the nearest multiple would be 27, so my center heel would be 9 stitches. If you have a narrow heel, you could decrease that and use 8, or a wider heel, you could use 10 or 11 stitches. The most important thing is to maintain the same number of stitches on each side as you're completing your decreases. We'll start with a slip stitch, which I like, but you could just knit that stitch. And then we'll knit 17 more stitches for a total of 18, which is 2/3 of the heel flap. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then we'll slip, slip, knit. And turn, leaving 6 stitches unworked on the other needle. We'll slip the first stitch and purl back 9 stitches. Now if I did my purl 2 together here, that would leave me with 7 stitches remaining on the end of the needle. Since I want to have an even number, I'm going to purl 1 more stitch, so that will be 10 center stitches, and then do my purl 2 together, leaving 6 stitches remaining on this needle. Turn and repeat the process, slipping the first stitch, knitting 10 stitches, and you can tell by the gap that I've reached my decreased stitch right there. I'm going to slip that decreased stitch plus the next one for a slip, slip, knit, gradually eating up these side stitches that are remaining. Turn, slip 1 and purl 10 back, I've reached my gap, so I'm going to purl 2 together, turn, and continue in this manner until all of my edge stitches on both sides have been used. Now I've completed my heel turn. All of my side stitches have been used, and I have 10 stitches in the middle plus the 2 decrease stitches for a total of 12 stitches. I am now ready to start my pickup stitches for my gusset.